So it says create a favorites.ini. To make this, press Alt Tab and check my video description for this text. Copy this text. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open Scripts folder, Ped Selector. Right click New and select Text Document. Paste the text we copied and press Enter. Select Yes. Close stuff here and now you can close the game and launch. Once you are in game, press L to open up this Ped Selector. Using down arrow and up arrow, you can choose option. Press enter to select option. Select ped, and as you can see, the Laura character is in here. Press enter to select the character. Press the backspace key to close this menu. And as you can see, the character loads perfectly fine. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. So I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.